Hello, this is Simeon, and this is my REO program experience. Before I went to the REO program in UBC, I had to submit an application. For the application, I had to answer some questions and put them into STEM Fellowship application form. I would recommend putting more information about what makes you special compared to the other applicants, or to explain how the REO program will help your future experiences. After a few weeks, I received an email that told me that a lab has accepted me. I was accepted by the MARG lab. MARG stands for Multi-Species Anthropology Research Group. On the first day of the event, I attended a meeting and saw a presentation about the REO program. The presentation introduced many labs, including my MARG lab. After the presentation, I went on a tour to look at the UBC campus. The biochemistry networking event. At my second day of REO, I went to a workshop event. The workshop was about multiple biology topics, such as studying fruit flies and the psychology of babies. After the workshop event, I went to my lab. The people at the lab taught me how to extract collagen from a bone. The process for extracting collagen includes sanitizing and cutting the bone, demineralizing the bone via hydrochloric acid, neutralizing the solution, stabilizing the collagen by putting it in an oven, recrystallizing the solution, placing the collagen sample into the freezer to liquefies, placing a collagen sample into a tin capsule. On the third day of the event, I went to the MOA, or the Museum of Anthropology. There are many cool artifacts here. After I looked around the museum, I was taken to a lab to investigate some animal bones and use certain techniques to decide which side that the bone belongs to. On day 3, we concluded the lab by microanalyzing the samples of collagen that we collected. Then we took the jars of collagen, weighed them, and put that data into our logbooks. The microbiology and immunology workshop events. After we concluded our lab, I went to another workshop. It taught us about microbes. We use microscopes to inspect certain rat tissues to see if they are infected or not infected. After I went to the workshop, I went to the MARG lab meeting. We talked about the future plans for MARG, as well as summarizing an anthropology essay. On the fifth and final day of the lab, we had to use our bone sighting techniques from the day 3 of the lab to reconstruct a human skeleton. After we reconstructed the skeleton, we took a look at all the bones inside the lab. They were all replicas of human-like organisms that were in the past. In the closing ceremony, we had to make a presentation about what we have learned during the week and what we did for the MARG lab. In the end, this was a very eye-opening experience, and I have learned more about what research is about. And I would like to thank everyone who helped me during this week of learning. That includes my lab professor, Alexa, my friends, all the mentors, and all of the REO organizers.